Hello students, let us continue with our lesson electoral politics. We know that India is the biggest democracy in the world, and in our country elections are held after every 5 years, and first of the sub heading is why do we need elections. We know that there is two type of democracy. One is the direct democracy and the other is the indirect. And in our country, being a big country, such a great and large big population, we need a government. It means we need a representative government or representative democracy. So suppose we do not elect, what happens? Everybody may not have time and knowledge. Suppose we think that one day we will or every day we will sit together and make some law. It is just not possible because everybody may not have time, and also everybody may not have knowledge enough to deal with the laws. Then second, we say that we can make aged and educated and knowledgeable persons our leader, and we need not elections. This will also not be possible because everybody will claim that he is knowledgeable, he is educated, he is aged, and he want to be the member, he want to be the representatives, or he want to be the leader of ministry in our government. In this way there will be chaos. And the other problem will be, suppose they are made leader, and the problem will be how to remove them if they do not perform. The leaders, they have been made the leader or appointed the leaders, you can say elected the leaders. What would happen? Suppose they do not perform according to the wishes we like to, then what would happen? What would be there to remove them? It means there will be no process to remove them, and such the condition will prevail that they will continue and the nation may not progress. In order to make them work better, we need election. That is why we need election from time to time, so that we may hold election, and also we can make the persons who are there in the government to perform. Suppose after election a government is made, or a political party makes the government. What happens? Suppose they do not do anything, or they do not develop the country, they may not do the desired work. What happens when the election will be held next time? That government, that political party will be removed from the government. In this way we can say that elections are a big need, and we need elections so that the elected body or the elected political party may take major decisions for the development of the country, and our country may run in a better way, and the affairs of the country may be run in a better way, and we may lead or in fact the whole of the country, the people of whole of the country may lead a good and happy life. For that we need elections. That is why elections are needed in a democratic country. And you must remember that even the countries which are not democratic one, say China, they also hold election to pretend that they are elected government, or they are elected government and they are a democratic country. So that is why we need democracy, so that in democracy we need elections, so that a party may come and do or run the affairs of the states. Thank you, students.